welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. UK on track for driest spring on record with no rain in sight. While some parts of United Kingdom experienced heavy showers and thunderstorms early this week, the warm and dry weather has been dominant. This spring is currently running at the driest on record according to the Met Office. And the mostly dry weather is expected to continue across the UK for at least another 10 days. The Environment Agency has said that while reservoirs are currently fairly healthy, there is medium risk of a summer drought. Some parts of Greater London, Hampshire, Greater Manchester, Lancashire and Yorkshire have had 20 days without a drop of rain. And while there has been some measurable rain in other parts, May rainfall accumulations are very low. Since the start of spring in March, some areas such as Wales and southwest England have had healthy rainfall. Overall, it has been lacking. In fact, the Met Office told BBC Weather that with a UK average rainfall accumulation of just 80 millimeters so far this spring, compared to an average of 229 millimeters, we are currently running at the driest spring on record. As well as being unusually dry, there has also been a lot of sunshine. April was the sunniest on record in the UK, following the third sunniest March ever. Sunshine is also running above average so far in May. This week, high pressure will become firmly established to the north of the UK. High pressure air descending in the atmosphere leads to settled weather and more often mostly sunny conditions too. This area of high pressure looks like it might stick around until around the end of next week. Though being so far away in forecasting science, that breakdown to more unsettled weather could shift a few days either side. Sunshine and above average temperatures into the low to mid-20s is likely for most of us. But with the northeasterly wind, northern and eastern parts of the UK will be susceptible to low cloud, mist and fog coming in and off the North Sea. This will also bring cooler weather with temperatures in low to mid-teens. In their latest meeting, the National Drought Group suggested that while no area is currently in official drought, there is medium risk of one this summer without sustained rainfall. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.